compute how much is the maintenance expense of these facilities after the games?
Yes, Mr. Mayor.
How much will the maintenance cost be?
Right now, it's ranging from 150 million to 200 million a year, computed by the Asian Development Bank.
By the Asian
Development Bank.
The Asian Development Bank. The Asian Development Bank, we're saying, has computed or determined that the annual maintenance cost will be about 150 million. Is that what we heard?
Correct, Mr. President.
150 million. So apart from the substantial amount of 12 billion that we will sink in for these facilities, we expect to spend at least 150 million for maintenance.
Correct, Mr. President.
And if there is no 100, if we do not, how do we intend to fund the 150 million per year?
According to the president of the BCDA, they're planning to privatize the operations and maintenance of the New Clark City, Mr.
When we
President.
say privatize, what do we exactly mean?
They are planning to bid it out with the private developers to operate and maintain and generate revenue.
Yes,
for the government.
Nice to hear that, but exactly who would want to rent an athletic stadium?
All over the world, there are many use like for concerts and athletics use, other commercial venues.
Well, these are very broad general statements, and I think it is admitted that there is really no detailed plan as to how to generate funds.
There is a detailed plan according to the president.
Can we have a copy of that?
Yes, the president of BCDA will provide to the good senator.
So you are saying that there is enough economic activity to be able to at least cover the maintenance expense of 150 million per year?
According to the study of ADB, the Asian Development Bank, yes, Your Honor.
And may we know if you have already an indicative list of who would be interested in renting a 20,000 seating track and field facility?
As of now, Mr. President, there are interested developers who are willing to continue to operate and maintain, but he cannot divulge.
These are not?
He cannot divulge it right now, according to the president of BCDA.
Well, because, I think, with all due respect, with all due respect, I think this has not been thought out, because this will be a burden on the budget with the maintenance cost. I'm sorry, but I cannot agree, I cannot believe that we can generate enough funds even just to maintain this. And what will happen is that because of lack of funds to maintain, these facilities will deteriorate over time. So we have sunk in 9.5 billion for this activity, which 9.5 billion in some short term would, for lack of any lessee or operator, would deteriorate.
According to the president of BCDA, pinag-aralan na po raw ito ng Asian Development Bank, and the BCDA president can approach you to explain the interest from the private sector and how can we sustain the operations of these facilities. And if I may add, he is willing to leave his resignation letter.
I'm sorry, sir?
He's willing to leave his resignation letter pag pumalpak niya siya rito. Sabi ko sa kanya.